Hello and welcome back to my channel Manjula Veduru. In this recent video, I would like to explain you the more information regarding TCS NQT 2026. Last date, syllabus and the exam date, all of the information will be discussed in this video. So try to listen till the end regarding this video. Firstly, what is TCS NQT? TCS NQT stands for Tata Consultancy Services National Qualifier Test. It is a national level exam for freshers, used for hiring in TCS and other companies such as Asian Paints and Geo and more. TCS NQT score is also valid up to 2 years after writing the exam. Who should apply? If coming to the eligibility criteria, final year and pre-final year students are eligible, especially for 2026 and 2027 students. This will be a good opportunity to enter into TCS. Freshers and up to 2 years experienced people will also write this exam. The last date for applying January session is 1st January 2026 and the exam date will be 14 January 2026. Exam conducted in online mode. Different types of centers they will be provided. I was applied for December session on 14th of December and the exam will be 25 of December. And there will be centers which are mainly Hyderabad, Chennai, and regarding those areas, this exam will be highly conducted. In Andhra Pradesh, there is no allocated centers are not provided. Maybe for January session they will provide, but for December session there will be no allocation on Andhra Pradesh. Only centers will be Hyderabad, Chennai, and different cities. How many times is TCS NQT conducted? Conducted multiple times a year. January cycle is one of the major cycles. Students can apply for future cycles also. I will post regarding if there any other cycles will also be dates will be released. I will definitely make a video regarding TCS NQT. The exam pattern will be online computer based test and given multiple sessions, and the plus point is there is no negative marking in TCS NQT exam. Coming to the syllabus of TCS NQT foundation session, there will be two sessions will be there, part A and part B. Coming to part A, numerical ability in the percentages, proportion laws, along with time and work. And coming to reasoning ability, number series, coding, decoding, and puzzles will be given. And coming to verbal ability, reading comprehension, grammar, and vocabulary will be given. This will be a part A. And coming to part B, which is an advanced session. In this, advanced quantitative aptitude, programming logic, advanced logic reasoning, and basic coding questions in the languages C, C++, Java, Python will be given in this advanced session. What is the use if we write TCS NQT? Score valid up to 2 years. We can join up to 2 years. After writing this exam, we can directly go to the interviews in regarding different companies, Asian Paints, Geo, and TCS. Used by multiple companies, increases job opportunities, good opportunity for freshers because freshers may get chance directly by writing this exam. How to apply for TCS NQT 2026? Visit official TCS Ion or Next Step portal. Register with email and mobile number. Fill application form. Choose exam cycle. Submit before 1st Jan 2026 because it was the last date for January session. So definitely you should apply if you want to write or enter into TCS. And The extra information I would like to provide regarding TCS and QT is this will be open for all the students who are eligible for 2026 cycle. I was applied for December session. After writing the exam on December 25, I will share more details regarding this TCS and QT. I am also interested to apply for January session also. If you are interested, if you like to know how to register step by step process and TCS next step portal, I will also do make a video. Please comment me on the comment section if you are interested. Please like, share and subscribe to Manchula Veduru for more information regarding TCS and QT. Thanks for watching.